come with me to mod this Kemove T68E keyboard. So the keyboard itself is actually really good. This is completely stock. Let me do a little sound test before we do get started. Now we're going to be switching some of these switches to the Kiiboom switches over here and switching the keycaps to the foundation ones. And if you do not have these two tools here, I don't know what you are doing. So these make your life so much easier when you are modding your keyboards. This one is a Kemove 4 keycap puller. All you got to do with this one is just put it in between the 4 keycaps that you want to take out, squeeze and pull. And that's how quickly you can get 4 keycaps out at once. Also for the switches, I know a lot of us struggle taking them out. This right here, perfect tool to take them out very quickly. So this little tool is so compact. It's a switch and keycap puller. If you pull this open, this is what you use to take off the keycaps. Again, super easy. So the best part is the switch puller for this one. So all you gotta do is just press this button to take out the little prongs. Put it going from the top to the bottom. Press down, it's gonna hold itself up. And just pull. And you saw how easy that was? Then to release, just press that button and bam, it's out. Sound test time. So if you'd like to get your tools, go ahead and click that link down below.